Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get notified when people you follow reply on your threads. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon and then select the hamburger menu. Next, open notifications. Then, tap on Threads and replies. After that, under the replies section, tap on the button beside from people you follow. And that's it. Now, each time someone you follow replies on your threads, you'll get notified of it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.